What's up, everybody? And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an emergency alert system on Scratch by just simply using Turbowarp. So yeah, let's begin the video. First go to the Google Play Store, search up Turbowarp. And then go right here, which takes you to the projects of Scratch. Next, click on See Inside. Next, delete the sprite that was on the screen, and then next go to into Stage. Next, make a black screen. By simply doing that. Next, click on Text, and then press on Add More Fonts, and then press on Add a Font from a File. Then press on Choose File Name, and then install a VCR EAS font. Go press on This Week. Well, let me show you the files you need. In your My Files tab, press on here and open it up. Press on Open With. On the VCR, press right here and press right here. Press right here, and then it'll show up this text. Make sure to have it in pixel version. Be sure to have spaces in this one, and press Add, and it'll show up the text. Now you have a newer text. Press on the VCR EAS font. Next, type in Emergency Alert System, and then switch the color to white. Switch the color right here to white. Make this like this. Make it like in a different way, just like this. And it'll have a different look of it. Next, copy and press on Copy and press on Paste. And then type in your issuer to issue the alert. I'll type in National Weather Service. I'll type in National Weather Service. And then next, do it again. Press on Copy and press on Paste. Next, type in Issued A right down below the issuer to issue the EAS alert. And then next, place it right down here. Hold on. There we go. Now do it again. Press on Copy and Paste. And then type in the EAS alert issue, and then type in the alert you wanted. Which mine's is going to be a severe thunderstorm warning. So first I'm going to do one text, and then do another text right down below right down below the text I edited. And then you can do watch, warning, or test. But it's going to be a warning. Okay. So now you're complete with your EAS screen. But what about the text scrolling? Well, we can do that. Press on the paintbrush and right here, and then go to sprite, and then type in the text scroll. Never mind. I'm going to do a tornado warning. So I'm gonna have to delete the sprite, and then delete this one, and then I'm gonna type tornado warning there, and place it right here. No, right here. Now we're going to make the text scroll. So once you have your warning, type in the text scroll. Once you got done with the text scroll typing, go to code, click on events, go right here, then press on controls, bring this over right down below the yellow button, then go to motion, click right here, go X 620, and then Y 28, and then glide 20, 6 to X negative 2000, whatever you wanted. And there's your text scrolling. But what about the audio? Well, we can add some audio sometime. So now we just got done with the text scroll. What we're going to do next is make it a lot more slower. Like that. Now what about the audio? Yes, we're going to add some audio, but we're going to go to sounds. We're going to go to upload sound, and we're going to add the EAS sounds. Be sure to also add some text-to-speech too. Now place it right here. Then go to sounds. Go right here, place it there. Record the sounds of the EAS with screen recorders or no. Or you can use a voice recorder app. Now be sure to add the text-to-speech. Then next, add the ending sound. And there you go, guys. That's how you can easily make your EAS on Scratch of Turbowarp. Now watch and enjoy. But what about the blockers? Well, we can do that. What we're going to do is add some blockers for the text-to-speech. The text scroll. And there you go, guys. That's how you can easily make your EAS sounds on Turbowarp. Now watch and enjoy. Here's the final results. Oh. Okay, guys. Here's the final results.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Anderson County, Knox County, Morgan County, and Roane County in eastern Tennessee until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles northwest of Kingston. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Knoxville at 9 p.m. Other locations impacted include Quinton, Knoxville, Oliver Springs, Derriman, Powell, Morris, and Hulls. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you're in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.